I was once told that scale and impact is what delivers results. Scale means that your results are going to many people beyond your comfort zone. And impact means that whatever it is that you're saying is going to be something that people hear and want to act on. But when you look at LinkedIn and you look at the people that are on LinkedIn, you're going to see that people are trying to scale without impact. And by that, I mean all those stupid requests that we all get where it's like, I was looking to expand my network and notice your profile. But then when you look to see who looked at your profile, you never see that this person actually looked at your profile. Or some ill-fated attempt to connect with a coach because you're going to bring me in 20 leads in a month, but you're sending me a generic message. So as a coach, is it me who wants to engage with you as a person who is going to act the same way you're engaging with me to get me more leads? I don't think so. So what do we do about this? Well, the first thing we do is we should determine what we stand for, and we should think about how we're different from everyone else. So if you think about terms like empowering, I find that to be condescending. Why can you empower me? Who the hell are you to empower me? Especially if you don't know anything about me. Or helping. There's other terms like guiding, which could be a little bit better. But the long story short is none of these generic terms are going to make a really big impression on someone if you want them to take you seriously. The best thing you should do is place yourself in the shoes of the person who you're reaching out to and take some time to research these people who you're reaching out to and the competition. And if you understand them and you understand yourself, then you'll be in a much better place to deliver value.